Hello guys, welcome to Software Design. Today we'll be teaching you how to design an ID card using Canva. So let's head straight to our Canva here. This is subscribe Canva. Let's create a new folder so that you can follow along. Then you type Canva here. You click on enter. And then your Canva opens. Let's wait for it to open. Then it asks you, click on create here. Then you want to design an ID card for your business or for yourself. Then click on ID card like this. And then you want your ID card to be landscape or portrait. Most people want it to be portrait form. And then this is the student ID card landscape. Then click on your portrait ID here. Let's use portrait. And then it has selected a portrait shape of an ID like this. And then look at your left here. These are templates it has suggested for you that you can use to design your ID card. So let's select any template here. I think I like this one. Let's select this template, then select this particular one. Then zoom in. Then you want to change. First of all, I want to change this company. Let's delete this logo. And let's say Soft Touch Designs. We want to change it to Soft Touch. Soft Touch, then click enter, Designs. Then we want to change this name to Godwin Penda. Is the managing director. Also add the CEO. Then from here we'll change it to 001. Give it an email of soft touch designs at gmail. Let's change gmail.com. Let's readjust this. Let's readjust it a bit. Click back here. Click back. Want to make your readjustment so that it will fit in. Let's clean that. Then change the phone number here to 090 21 that is 97 0856. Sorry, 9. Let's check. Then you put your phone number like this, and then your certificate design is already on its way. Then this picture, you can change this picture here by removing. You can remove the picture. Let's say press delete to delete the picture, and then let's go over to, let's select any picture from here. Let's say come here, then copy. Let's go back to the browser and then double click inside here. We have successfully pasted, and then we'll drag it. Let's drag it inside. Then readjust it, double click to readjust it inside, and then let's zoom it backward. And we have successfully designed our ID card here, as you can see. And then you can also select a back cover of it. Initially, when we started, there was a back cover, and then you can also edit the back cover to suit this format. Thank you, and subscribe for more updates.